Vinny's here because he's like, oh, can I drive the giveaway 500? All right, that's 500 one. What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well in your spirits. We are here with the GT500. I'm getting the first experience with a friend you might recognize. That's right, we are with a Shelby GT350R owner. That is a tunnel chaser.
I'm a little jealous. A little freaking jealous right now.
This is your first time in a 500?
This is my first time, and I thought, like, oh, it's just another Mustang. It's not.
It's not, baby. He's gonna get a chance to drive it too.
And
I'll let him
seats
have
are
it.
so much better than you.
Aren't they more comfortable for our bellies?
Way better for big fat guys.
But yeah, look what we have to play with over there. That's Petro Works and Mo's Lambo.
Well, don't forget he's got a Viper behind us. Like, these are his house cars.
Let's get it out the way. Yes, I am an Eagles fan. So for all the people who love the Eagles or hate them, you know, get it out where you can.
I'm a little upset I'm not driving right now.
Oh, listen, we're gonna switch seats. We're gonna get some lunch together, and then we'll switch seats.
That scoop, that hood out there.
Yeah,
that's a beautiful view, and it's almost like the giant cow hood.
No, yeah,
dude, that's nice looking.
You mind holding this, brother? Let's get this Lambo.
I came here to shoot a video, but you know, I got you.
Oh yeah,
don't worry.
Vinny's here because he's like, oh, can I drive the giveaway 500? All right, that's 500 one. I let off. That Lambo is fast.
That Lambo is fast, dude. And we kept up with the Lambo. Two fat guys weighing this beast down. Chill with that tire.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're good. The tire is good. That Lambo wanted to play, huh? How much that thing cost?
More than you can afford, pal.
Lamborghini.
Smoke.
See ya!
There's too many damn cars.
There's too many cars. We'll get behind them. Remember, take it to the track, friends. Oh, that Lambo does sound
Do as we say, not as we do.
Yeah, that Lambo sounds so good. So this is my dual clutch.
Oh yeah. That is
Remember, this is the 7-speed dual clutch.
Here we go. Oh, you're spinning. Oh, you're spinning. Oh, you're spinning. You're spinning.
We're spinning, but we're winning.
Oh, dude, he couldn't get out of our way.
Oh, Cal's crazy. That Lambo is fast though. Woo. But you know, I'd be more confident if we got to put a stickier tire on there.
At least get the tires hot.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you're a R owner, so you know.
Oh man, that was nothing but spin.
That was Spin City. Imagine when that thing plants.
I was honestly a little concerned
here. Yeah, we actually got to get a tire on this. Two things this car needs so far is a tire and exhaust, in my opinion. What are your thoughts?
A better driver.
Oh!
No, I shouldn't say better. Someone who won't kill me while we're driving.
Oh, yeah! Oh, cool. Look at this. We got a little bit of a... Oh, this is cool. Held in together. Dude, that looks so good. Let's do a little rev off. See both pedals in?
Here? Good?
What? Let's see who's louder. Yo, I think That's why we need exhaust. I think this needs exhaust, Mo, because yours, I think, gets the win right now. Actually, you can own one of them. GT500giveaway.com. You want to say, yep, there it is. So you can scroll up, and anything you spend. Of course, we have earbuds, T-shirts, mugs.
Right.
You'll get an email that you're registered to enter to win this car.
Okay.
Just $10 spent. Of course, the more you spend, the more you get.
Yeah.
And you get. What do you think about it?
Go check it out.
Go check it out, dude.
Cool.
200 miles on it. Brand new.
Give it a rev.
Rev it up.
It's dope, man.
760 horsepower, 7-speed dual clutch. Just came out. What's your name, bro?
Aaron.
Aaron might win this car. Yeah, who knows? He just put an entry in. He got to
Aaron
sit
did
in.
not win this car at this point. Now he did.
Oh, he might beat us up and take it. What you guys just came back from martial arts?
I think we're upstairs, yeah.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
we're disturbing the whole. the whole
Yeah,
class.
you're good. We saw you. I was like, I'm gonna go come take a picture real
Hey,
quick.
man,
Yeah.
I appreciate it,
Alright, that's
dog.
cool. You mind if I take a picture?
Yeah, please take a picture. Yeah, go ahead. Okay,
Let's retake that one.
all right, so Mo's gonna go. He got to do some business. Now we have Vinny. First time GT350R owner.
Oh,
How you feel?
I went to shift.
Uh-oh.
I went to clutch and shift. I went to clutch and shift. That's okay. All right, I'm ready?
All right, yeah, let's go. So, I'm excited. Let's see Vinny's first time in a 500 here. Now, I could be selfish and take all his footage for myself, but if you really want all of Vinny's impressions of the 350R versus the GT500, check out his channel, Tunnel Chaser, on YouTube and on Instagram. And there goes Mo.
Petrol Works.
Petrol Works. Again, don't kill me, but I have to remind people because I get so many questions. This is your GT500 if you enter at mambamerch.com or
Can you guys do a giveaway for a Lambo?
that Lambo needs to happen next. Or GT500giveaway.com. Any $10 spent, you get this Shelby GT500. All right, let me shut up. Let's hear what Vinny's got to say
Sat
next.
in the car, I instantly went for a clutch and a stick, and it's not there.
Yeah.
But I'm used to when I sit in a Mustang, that's what I've been getting used to. So now I am about to turn the dial, which is enthusiastic. You ready for this? My first dial turn. Click, click, click. That's it. My Ram has one of these.
So you're already used to it.
Yeah.
Look at Dodge setting the bar.
It's my only complaint about this car. Not that it's automatic.
Well,
not
drive
that
it.
it's clutch.
Drive it. Yes. I know.
The auto downshift like that, like.
I know.
Whoa! Dude, that was quarter throttle.
almost have to drive it at quarter throttle because it's that dialed in already. It's crazy.
Oh, dude. That is... What setting are we in?
We are in sport. Sport.
All right. All right. Yes, it sucks that I can't shift, but I kind of feel like who cares?
You're gonna have so much fun with everything else. Stopping, braking, like turning, like hitting the
This is the R
on steroids. Bonus features, yes, we did just get something to eat. We went to TGI Fridays. I had a salad. New year, new me. Let's cold start. Oh, not cold start, remote start. Where's my manners? I washed my hands. That damn Alcantara steering wheel. What's surprising about this is, yes, the splitter's off. Because New York, how many times? I'm gonna say that. Oh, woo! The one Ford Performance. Here we go. I'm so used to. All right. What is up, fam? I wanted to have a quick housekeeping. Yes, the giveaway is happening. It is live. The website is being updated daily. We have new merch coming in. This is actually so exciting. I mean, we have officially licensed Ford and Shelby products on there. Really cool light products. We actually have earbuds, wireless, all for a chance to win the 2020 giveaway Shelby GT500, which we're calling Predator for obvious reasons. If you don't know, now you know that was the nickname of the motor, the 5.2 that's used in this particular model. Really excited, worked really hard behind the scenes. Everything is set up for you. If you have any questions, let me know. We have it all here. You'll get emails, you're entered. All the things are, all the rules are explained, how it works. It's all on the website. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, it's going crazy, guys. $10, and anything you spend above $10 is more entry to win. So good luck. God bless. Let's go.
The man, Carroll Shelby, engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT.
To build my kind of car, I had to take an existing car and modify it. I could have chosen any set of wheels I wanted. I picked Mustang.